Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series and at the chapter 20, how to use aircraft maintenance manual. Chapter 20. This is the video number 8. The subject today, how to use some items. Okay. This is the subject here, using for some items, including and at the chapter 20, maintenance practices. This is the date today, 13 April 2025. I photo my channel, YouTube channel, and another channel. 3 items I hope to comply them. The number 1, the item number 1, the rig bends. The rig bends. The number 2, heat guns and soldering guns. The item number 3, clean and painting metal surface. Okay. The last one is materials. Number 1, rig bends. What is the rig bends and what is its use? The rig pen here, look here, is a pen with a red flag, so don't miss it after you finish the job or the task. The rig pen used to rigging or adjust the control surfaces. Okay. These rig bends has a list in chapter 20. The list contains here, look here, this is the table of the list. Okay. The rig bin number, this is the first column. The rig bin part number here. The ATA chapter, the location for this rig bin. This is a list of bins, not rig bin one only, but list including, and here is there. Okay, this is about rig bins. About the heat guns and soldering guns. Here, the source of heat, fire, and heat for welding. Okay. This is a dangerous area because if the wings contains fuel, the engines contains fuels, hydraulics, oils. Okay, so this heat is dangerous for the aircraft. So many cautions and warning how to use these tools. Okay. Clean and painting for surface, metal surface. Metal surface means skin, the skin on the wings, skin on the fuselage, skin on the tail, skin over the engines. So you need sometimes to clean or paint these areas. Here, guide for you how to clean and paint these surface materials and procedures. And metals. The metals, consumable materials, like here, look here, adhesive, cleaners, seals here. Also cleaner and pens, the same thing here. Finishing material here. Lubricating materials here. Stripping here. Miscellaneous materials. Okay. Each of these type has list, table of list. Look here, material. This is just one example for these materials. Look here, the first column, material. The second column, specification. The third column, material name and or number. The last column is the vendor code. This is some notes about these items, how to use them. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.